And welcome back. Well, there's a new place in Shorewood that's opening its doors to women who want a fresh start. It's called Shorewood House. Shorewood House is run by the Milwaukee-based nonprofit Made a House, and the program will offer 8 women 30 days of residential addiction treatment. Here to tell us about this new venture is Ullstrup and Sarah Pollack, and it's so exciting to have you guys here. Thanks so much for being here.
I appreciate being here.
We say new venture, but this house has been around for a long time. Shorewood House has been here. This is a brand new program, and you've renovated the house and have these new options for women, right? What is Shorewood House?
So Shorewood House, as you mentioned, is a component of Made a House, and Made a House has been around since 1963, so over 50 years. And we started Shorewood House because for women who might not find Made a House the right fit and who might also find traditional private pay treatment programs cost prohibitive, it's a good option to get some treatment and to get an opportunity to be well.
So since private pay doesn't work, how is this? How do people take advantage of this program?
So this program is an opportunity for women to access treatment, really holistic, comprehensive treatment at no cost, at no out-of-pocket cost.
Wow, that's huge. So Fresh Start is the name of the program. Right. Tell us exactly about what Fresh Start encompasses, because you said holistic, and I think I remember, because I've been to your location, isn't there even yoga, things like that included?
Yeah, that's right. So when we say holistic, we understand that addiction doesn't just affect one part of the body or one part of the person. We have to heal that whole person. So that's why we have this holistic. So we're going to look at the woman's mental health needs, her substance use disorder, what does that look like, what's the history of that, and then we're going to do a 30-day program that is residential, and it's all day long, and it's pretty comprehensive. And you're right, we have yoga, we have art therapy, we have Reiki, so we understand that their movement and the body and the soul all need to heal.
Now, this is a place where women come without their children, correct?
That's correct. Our other sister organization, Made a House, women can bring their children, but at Shorewood House, this is a nice little 8-bed intimate setting where women can come and heal.
Yeah, and I think that community of other women going through similar things, that holistic approach, all of it is really this mind-body, intervention, really a treatment. So for you guys, what do you think the benefits of this kind of treatment are? Because this is evidence-based. This isn't something you're making up that you think will help. There's proof that this works.
Right. So that's where we kind of rely back again on our over 50-year history with Made a House, in that we have always done gender-specific treatment. So we know, and research shows us, that women do better when they're just with women. And so that, as you said, that healing component goes on because they're supporting each other. And then the evidence-based practices you mentioned, those two are research-based, and we're using best practices. We're not just making up treatment, because it's a serious disease and it needs to be treated seriously.
Absolutely. What would women expect? Is there a routine that they follow when they are accepted into the Fresh Start program?
Yes, so as I said, it's a 30-day program, and it's pretty rigorous but warm and healing at the same time. So you get up every morning, you have breakfast together, and then you have groups throughout the day. And you meet with our psychiatrist. We have master level therapists who are very well trained in substance use disorder and mental health disorders. There's also fun involved, so going out, getting into the community, re-experiencing life, and supporting each other.
Do women need to be off of their addictions to be accepted into the program, or can they be struggling with them still?
No, they don't need to be. That's why we're there. Okay. So we might refer someone to withdrawal management before they come into the program, because we want to make sure medically they're okay.
Right.
But we're there to help you stop using those substances.
What kinds of addictions are you seeing women be afflicted with that are coming to your programs?
Well, it's the full gamut. So alcohol, cocaine, as we know, this city, this country is really in the midst of this opiate crisis. And so that is going on, but addiction itself has always been around, and unfortunately it might always be around. But the more we can take away the stigma and tell people it's okay to get treatment, and we understand that it's a disease and not a moral issue.
Right.
The better.
Yeah, I love that you say that. It's a disease and not a moral issue. It's very important. You're accepting applications up until Thursday, January 18th at shorewoodhouse.org. That's where you can learn more about all the programs, including the Fresh Start program right here in Shorewood at the Shorewood House. Thanks so much for being here, ladies.
Thank
you.
Great program.